Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Good Time by Alan Jackson on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning, E-A-D G-B-E. To match the original song's key, place a capo on the 2nd fret. We will focus on 4 essential chords: E major, A major, D major, and B7. Mastering these will set a solid foundation for playing this country classic. Now, let's talk about the rhythm. The song features a straightforward, steady down-up strumming pattern. Aim for a consistent tempo, around 130 beats per minute, to capture the song's energetic feel. Practice keeping your strumming hand relaxed and flowing, allowing the rhythm to drive the music forward. This consistent motion is key to a good country sound. Understanding the chord progression is crucial for playing Good Time. The verse typically follows a pattern of E, A, D, A, and then back to E. For the catchy chorus, you'll switch between B7, D, A, and E. Focus on making your chord changes as smooth and seamless as possible. Practice slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed as your fingers become more accustomed to the movements. To truly master Good Time, consistent practice is your best friend. Start by practicing each chord change and section at a slow pace, gradually building up your speed. Playing along with the original Alan Jackson recording is an excellent way to refine your timing and feel. Remember to have fun with it. This song is all about enjoying a good time on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.